In this video, I will show you how to install TV usage app on your Android TV. This is very short and easy. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video helpful. So if you have an Android TV and want to install TV usage app, this is what you should do. Now, TV usage app is an application for parents to control how their children or kids spend time on their Android TV. It's a very nice application. It's a nice well-being application for your parental control. So to get the application on your Android TV, what you have to do is come out to this application called Downloader. This is a tool I love using so much that helps you install anything from the internet. It can be files, it can be media, it can be APKs, it can be applications, music. You can all get them from the internet to your Android TV using this application Downloader. So if you don't have Downloader on your smart TV, just check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you get Downloader on your Android TV. So once you go to download on your Android TV, all you have to do is to launch the application and it's going to bring you to a platform like this. You go ahead and type the keyword TV usage. So once you type the keyword TV usage, you come over and then you search for the TV usage application. And downloader is going to show you where you can get the application or install the application to your Android TV. And as you can see here, the various options, but this first option here is the best. So you just come over to the first option here and then click on it, and then you click show you the install button. So you just have to come over here and click on install button, and you'll be install the application to your Android TV. If you found it video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.